Welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle one of the most common questions in the R programming language: how to replace a traditional for loop with a more efficient and elegant solution using the purrrmap function. If you've ever found yourself writing repetitive code or struggling to iterate over complex data structures, this video is for you. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of using purrrmap and provide a step-by-step guide on how to replace your traditional for loops with this powerful tool. By the end of this video, you'll be able to simplify your code, reduce errors, and make your programming life easier. So why do we need purrrmap in the first place? Well, let's consider a simple example. Suppose we have a list of numbers, and we want to square each number in the list. We can achieve this using a traditional for loop, but it would look something like this. Create an empty vector, iterate over the numbers, square each number, and append it to the vector. But, as you can see, this approach has several drawbacks. It's verbose, prone to errors, and doesn't scale well for larger datasets. This is where purrrmap comes in, a function that allows us to apply a transformation to each element of a list or vector in a concise and elegant way. So how does it work in essence? Purrrmap takes two main arguments. The first is the list or vector you want to iterate over, and the second is a function that describes the transformation you want to apply. This function can be as simple or complex as needed, depending on your specific use case. Let's consider our previous example of squaring numbers. With purrrmap, we would simply pass in the list of numbers and a function that squares its input. The result is a new list containing the squared numbers, all without having to write a single loop. But what about more complex scenarios? What if we need to iterate over multiple lists or perform conditional operations? Fear not. Purrrmap has got you covered. With functions like purrrmap to purrrmap and others, you can easily extend the basic functionality to handle a wide range of use cases. So, what are from this video? First, traditional for loops are often verbose and prone to error. Second, purrrmap provides a concise and elegant solution for iterating over lists and vectors. Third, by using purrrmap, you can simplify your code, reduce errors, and make your programming life easier. That's it for today's video. We hope this explanation has helped you understand the benefits of replacing traditional for loops with purrrmap. Remember, simplifying your code doesn't have to mean sacrificing readability or performance. By embracing tools like purrrmap, you can take your programming skills to the next level. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on R programming and data science. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.